ultimately you need good doctors, you need processes, you need quality systems. There are no shortcuts because healthcare, I must clarify, is a very, very tough place to be, right? Whether you take modern medicine or Ayurveda. In modern medicine, there are so many Me Too players, right? So Tom, Dick, Harry, Ram, Sham, Tanu, everybody has got a hospital with, specialists who can cut open all kinds of technologies. How do I compete? They have a challenge. In our case, how do you build the credibility and the confidence that somebody will submit his body for 20 days to us, right? It's the highest thing. When I go to an agency, I go to a shop and buy a medicine, it's a low involvement purchase or it's a relatively low involvement purchase because if I don't like the medicine, I'll say 100 rupees, I'll throw it away. It doesn't matter, right? If I don't get, I won't go back there. But when I go to a hospital for care, then I'm committing time and money.
Yes.
Right? And time is equally important today.
Yeah.
So that's where Ayurveda has gone. So I think people, when they get into entrepreneurship, they need to understand there are value, right? You can go to high value, low volume, intermediate value and volume, or low volume, low value, low price, high volume, right? So these models are going to open up with Ayushman Bharat. You will have the volume but low price. So people need to look at, but between a Me Too market, a lot of Ayurveda entrepreneurs are looking for over-the-counter products, right? Which are some herbal powder, some extract, and claiming benefits. It's a shortcut. There is a market. Some people will succeed. But I think the larger opportunity for higher value care is when good doctors, right, set up nursing homes, hospitals across the country. And maybe companies like us and some other companies can bring in the process and management, the framework, IT, all of that, so that the doctors can focus on what they do. They get a ready brand. So we bring in the brand and the associations. They bring in the clinical and the local market contacts. Through this, Ayurveda can spread across the country. And I didn't mention there's a huge opportunity for entrepreneurs, to your question earlier, in personalized diet and lifestyle products and services. Right? A portfolio of products. People want to know, for me, which is the best food, right? To imagine that one food is good for everybody is wrong, right? In the same family, it'll be good for somebody, indifferent for somebody, and bad for somebody else. But everybody is having the same food, cornflakes, oats porridge, everybody is eating. Oats will be very bad for somebody.
Yeah.
Right? Can cause Parkinsonism in a few years. Right? But we don't know. We keep eating. Olive oil. Right? People are going to the supermarket. Olive oil is great. Olive oil is excellent for Italians. For Indians, we can't digest it unless we keep eating it all the time. And we'll see the impact of that. A person from Kerala eating mustard oil, his body cannot digest it. So we are so, blinkered. We just read some article telling this has got this chemical, that antioxidant, and we start popping it in. That's not the way.